Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with Retro Ball franchise with Cincinnati Bengals. If you guys remember, we did lose that last game, or that first game. But we also got a little better with players. We added the tight end, we added the quarterback. We had a good game as well. He threw 39 attempts, 28 completions, 322 yards, 4 touchdowns, but did throw 2 picks. So we're gonna have to not. You're gonna have to cut back on those picks. He also ran for 14 yards. Not a great day on the ground. Tight end had a great game. Wide receiver also had a really good game. Defense did not have that great of a game. But what we're gonna do this time is we're gonna take the offense, put their training on hard for both so that we could try. That's supposed to upgrade it faster. And I have those on Hall of Fame whenever they're retired. We're going to go straight into it. Let's hit it. And kick is underway. We're going to touch back and we need to win this game here. So takes the snap. We're going to throw it quick. Oh, 6 yards on the play. We're going to take off on the ground here. 3 yards. Make it 3rd and 1. Get it over the top. Here we go. Here we go. What does that say? 16 yards, I think? I don't know. That was going to be picked, but I have such a good tight end. I need to build his arm strength. Got him. 15 yards all the way out to the 30. Okay, takes the snap. Oh, that was bad. That was offline there. 3 yards on the carry. We have a 3rd and 7. Here we go. And he was sacked. Come on, kicker. Come on, kicker. Come on, kicker. Too low. That was too low. And we're behind already. There's no way that was too low. That was not. I need a new kicker too. Got him wide open. He gets the juke and goes out for 16 yards on the play. Alright, we're gonna throw it again here. That was not very good. Take the snap. Oh, I tried to take off. Oh, I got it. 13 yards on a 3rd and 10. That was a very dangerous play. 2 yards on the run. We are not getting the run game going that well. Oh, he didn't make it through the line. I thought he would. 3rd and 8. And we got him for the first down. Oh, that was not very good. That throw was way out in front of him. He breaks the tackle all the way down to the 9-yard line. In the red zone for the snap. And he's caught in the end zone, touchdown. And we're going to go for 2. Just because. And I don't know why I dove. And now we're still losing. And they scored another touchdown, so we're down by 8. And we're going to return this kick to the 15, to the 20, to the 20, all the way down to the 24. Oh, he caught it for 15 yards. Very close. Wow. We're going to take the snap here. Throw it over the top to the tight end for 16 yards, all the way across the 50 to the 45. What a game that our quarterback Leo is having. He's off. We're gonna get out of bounds here. And we got him to the 10, to the 5, all the way to the 4. Oh man, we're gonna see if we can run this in. Get on in there for the touchdown, and it's a 5-yard run. We need to go for 2 here, so let's change the play. We're gonna run with the quarterback, and we get in and we tie the ball game up. Then we have a tie. They kicked a field goal, so now we don't have a lot of time to work with here. 21 seconds. What a play. Get down 6 seconds. We have to have one really good throw here. Oh, with 1 second. Come on. Ooh, do I try to get the touchdown or go for this really long field goal? You know what? We gotta go for this. Oh, we didn't even come close. We're down by 3. And they get the... we're back down by 10 this time. We're going down here. I'm gonna go for 2 if we get the touchdown. He's got it for 19 yards, about just before the 45. We're gonna take off with the quarterback. We're gonna slide down for 5 yards, just before the 50. We're gonna run it with the running back here. We're gonna get 6 yards of the first down, all the way to the 45. Oh my goodness, dude, we're not getting anything. Here we go, 9 yards on the play. We're moving nice and slow here. We're gonna run this for the first. We're gonna get it for 3 yards with big math. He caught it. He chokes him all the way to the 20, all the way to the 17-yard line. What a play. Over the top. He caught it. All the way to the 2. What a play. We're going to run this back in with McMath for his second rushing touchdown of the game. We're going for 2. We're going for the big move here. I don't know what I was throwing to. We're back down. We're down by 4. Scored a touchdown. We're down by 11. If we score a touchdown and go for 2, that would be 28. That would be down by 3. So this is going to make it almost impossible. This is why it's a rebuild, guys. That is sacked. Don't get sacked again. We got the 8 yards. We got a 3rd and long still. Nice catch by the tight end for 13 yards. We gotta move. Got him. Run into him 19 yards. Almost, about 2 minutes almost. Got the wide receiver for 20 yards. 2-minute warning here. What a catch by the tight end, but that wasn't good. That was actually not a good idea by him. No! I thought I was going to get him. I was going to try and juke him right there. But that's alright. We're going to get in here. With the wide receiver here, we're going to go for 2. And we're going to get on in there. Make it 31-28. Go for it. No. Down by 10. Yet again. Can the comeback be possible? He got it. There he goes. Get out of bounds. Out of bounds. 55 seconds. Over the top. We're going to call a timeout here. Oh no. 37 seconds. Gotta go fast here. Incomplete. That's fine. Oh, he didn't keep running. I thought he would keep running. He got it. He got out of bounds. 14 seconds. And we're in for the touchdown. Oh, wow. And the wide receiver got hurt. And we lost. Yay, yes. Arm strength needs to go up. Speed needs to go up here. You know what? We're going to play week 2 as well, so. We do not have a receiver.